Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have an update for you in the Idaho4 defamation case. This is the federal lawsuit that was filed in the district court for the District of Idaho back on December 21st, 2022 by Rebecca Scofield, plaintiff, versus Ashley Guillard. Yesterday, the 24th of February, as we have been reporting to you, was scheduled to be day one of what has been set aside as a 4-day jury trial. And this jury trial is simply addressing the matter of potential damages. What, if any, damages will plaintiff Scofield be awarded from defendant Guillard? According to the minutes from the February 24th, 2026 proceeding, which I have published on our sister YouTube channel on the community page for you to review if you would like to see them, the matter began at 8:36 a.m. yesterday, the 24th, before Magistrate Judge Raymond E. Patricchio, who is the trier of the law in this case. According to the minutes, the court welcomed prospective jurors, explained jury service, introduced the parties, and summarized the case. All jurors in the courtroom were sworn in, and then there was the questioning, voir dire of the prospective jurors. According to the minutes, certain jurors were excused for cause, and each of the counsel, that is, counsel for the plaintiff and Ms. Guillard, who was serving as her own counsel, executed peremptory challenges and passed the jury for cause. So certain prospective jurors were stricken according to these minutes. And then once a panel was selected, the jury was sworn in to try the cause. According to the minutes, preliminary instructions were read, and Judge Patricchio admonished the jury for the lunch break. And what admonish means, just by speculating, providing an opinion, it may have been something like, do not discuss the case while you're at lunch. Things to those effect, one would expect. The process of jury selection from soup to nuts ran from 8:36 a.m. to 12:11 p.m. according to these minutes. And then after the lunch break at 1:14 p.m., matters continued. Opening statements were made by counsel and pro se defendant, and then the testimony of plaintiff's witness Rebecca Scofield began. Matters continued until the next time that's listed here is 3:11 p.m. with the jury present. There was continued testimony of Rebecca Scofield, and certain other exhibits were offered into evidence. And then it stated that Judge Patricchio admonished the jury for the evening. And again, speculating here that he read some instructions to them and directed them, for example, not to discuss the case. It doesn't appear that this jury was sequestered. So when they left, it appears that they left for the evening, went to their homes or wherever they would go after jury was concluded for the day. At 4:52 p.m., with the jury not present, the court and the parties discussed the remaining trial schedule, jury instructions, and objections to exhibits. The court denied the objection of defendants' exhibits for reasons stated on the record, which are not stated here, and the defendant was instructed to file her jury instructions by 5 p.m. tonight. The jury trial, according to these minutes, will resume February 25th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. We will continue to keep you apprised as matters continue on at jury trial in Scofield versus Guillard. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.